So here's our foldable extending landing gear for Mini 4 Pro for the DJI. You can see it right there. Not too expensive, but a good price, and it's the company that makes it. And if you got a different series of drone, you can go, to the website, look it up, and find a drone that, is compatible with the landing gear that you're trying to get as well. Peace, and we out. This foldable extended landing gear for your Mini 4 Pro DJI adds 13 grams of weight to your drone. So it takes it over recreational, being able to fly. So now you have to get your drone registered when you do use this. Same thing if you get the extended battery. What up, everybody? Today we're gonna talk about the foldable extended landing gear for your DJI Mini 4 Pro. Right, and that's this right here. You can see the landing gear. The only thing about it is that if you do use this, it does add 12 to 15 grams to your drone, so it would take it above the limit it is to fly recreational without having to register. This is how it looks. Easy to assemble. Slides on the drone real good. And now when you want to land on certain areas that might be hilly, grassy, or rocky, you got a little balance. Now I haven't flew it yet to see how stable it is, but they say it don't change nothing, so I'll fly it. Then I can give y'all guys another review with this, how it snaps on, and I'll unsnap it so you can see as well. Alright, so we here. Come here, we can close it in, and then it snaps off just like that. I come back, snap it inside there. Alright, once I open it up, so there, I'll come. As soon as I open it up, it'll just snap in. So now it's connected. Connect to your battery port. So once you take your battery out, you definitely got to take this back off. But that was a nice easy snap. So I'll give you the price of how much it was. Another accessory to add to your drone. Alright, DJI, we see you representing Mini 4 Pro, y'all. Foldable extended landing gear. Alright, you know what it is. Go to that YouTube page, like, share, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you next time. All my drone pilots, all my world travelers. Peace. And we out.